Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a package here from Sugared Eclipse Nails. I won a giveaway that she had during one of her lives a couple weeks ago. She always does a live on Sunday. It's Sunday Fun Day, and her lives are just always awesome. She's always doing something incredible. So yes, please go check her out. She was making some glitter acrylic mixes, and at the end of the live, whoever was still in the live, she drew names and she picked my name, so I won the whole set of the glitter acrylics that she was making. So yes, make sure you check out her channel, and like I said, her lives are just, they're so much fun. And this Sunday she's actually gonna have Nails by Nelly on with her. They're gonna both be live, so yeah, that's gonna be so fun. I cannot wait. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this open. All right, so I got it open here. Oh, look how pretty this is. How cool. Oh my gosh, look at these nail forms. Look how long. Oh my gosh, look at that. Yeah, I want to try. I've only tried nail forms a few times, but look at this. How cool. Oh my gosh, this is going to be fun to do a nail. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Look at the little spoon, how cute. Oh my gosh. Just want to take a look at this here. Sondra Sparkly Glitter Mix. Oh my gosh, thank you. Look at how pretty is that? Oh, I love it. That is super sweet. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at Preciosa. Oh, these are so cool. Oh wow, thank you. Look at all these charms. Oh my gosh. All right, let me see. I just want to look at all the charms. Oops. And I'll get the rest of them out. Oh my gosh, look at all these. How cool. Look at the bunny. Oh wow, look at it. How cool. How cute the skull with a little bow on it. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that one's pretty. I don't have anything like this one. Look at that, the shape of it. How cool. This one is so cool. Oh wow, this is neat. Oh, these are so cute. Thank you. Oh my gosh. I just love this mix. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's just so sparkly. I absolutely love it. All right, so we have 8 different acrylic mixes here. Oh my gosh, how cool. Yeah, they're all taped. Look at, oh, look at this yellow one. Happy Accident Glow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the tapes off of here, and then we'll go ahead and look at them. I'll be back. All right, so I got them all opened here. This one's called Happy Accident Glow. Oh, look at this. How gorgeous. It's got gold, yellow. Oh my gosh, look at that. How pretty. Peeps Glow. Oh my gosh, how cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh. How fun. Oh, my YouTube friend. Yeah, these jars are nice. There's no spillage or anything. Look at that, how pretty, all the golds. Perfect for fall. Black Widow Glow. Oh my goodness, I love glow in the dark. I have glow in the dark acrylic on right now. Like, oh, look at this, you guys. Oh my god. Barbie Farts Thermal. I love the names. This is a thermal changing one. Oh, look at that. Look at the star in there. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Roasted and Toasted Glow. Sorry, I put cuticle oil on right before, so it's kind of making fingerprints. How cool is this? Look at this. She does an amazing job with mixing these. Funfetti Flaky. Love that name. Look at this. Oh yeah, the Funfetti. Look at that. How pretty. And we have Halo or Hollow Explosion. Oh, look at that. How gorgeous. Alright, so I'm going to get everything ready and we're going to go ahead and swatch these. I am so excited. I cannot wait. Thank you so much. Alright, so the first one we have here is Happy Accident Glow. It's just so pretty, that yellow. And they went on really nice. I mean, I didn't have any problems with the glitters, with the acrylic. I mean, everything was, just worked fine. So yeah, I really enjoyed them. This one's pretty. It's got a bunch of yellow hexagons, just a different really pretty glitters. Yeah, it does have a little butterfly there, you can see. Really cute. And then my YouTube friend. This one is so pretty. It's gold and it's got the Chanel. It's got Chanel, the logo in it. Little glitters. Oh, it's so pretty. I think I'll show one here because there was one that kind of went underneath the glitters. But yeah, it's hard to see, but there is the little Chanel sign in there. Roasted and Toasted Glow. This one is super cute, you guys. Oh my goodness. It's got like this brownish glitters. It's got little white hexagons and it's got like a big flame glitter in there. So it does look like the white, like the marshmallow, and then it's got the flame. Just like a campfire. And I have an idea of a set I would like to do with this because I have a stamping plate that's got some like campfire and and stuff. So yeah, I might do something like that. But yeah, I just wanted to put the little flame on there and it's just so cute, so different. I love it. That's already a design right there on your nail. And then we have Funfetti. So pretty. I just love this. It's got so much of the crushed little flake. Yeah, Funfetti Flaky. Sorry, I was talking too much. I didn't pay attention. But yeah, look at that. How gorgeous. All those rainbows. Sugar Peeps Glow. I absolutely love this one. I think this might be my favorite. And then the Roasted and Toasted one. This one's such a beautiful purple. And it's got all these hexagons. Oh, just so pretty. It's got like blue and purple. I just absolutely love it. So cute. And we have Barbie Farts Thermal. Super cute. Look at that big star in there. It's got the big star and it's got some little butterflies. And yeah, just definitely Barbie Farts. I just love that name. It's super cute. I wasn't recording when I did this one, the Hollow Explosion, but oh, it's so silvery, glittery, just gorgeous. And then this is I believe this is the Black Widow Glow. And this one is, oh, this one's going to be cute for Halloween, definitely. It's got like gray, silver gray, and like black, just really, really cute. I think this would go definitely cute with a Halloween set. Look at that, how pretty that is. Alright, so I just want to say thank you so much to Eclipse Nails Thank you so much for these amazing acrylics. They're so beautiful. I absolutely love it, and I love the glow. I love my little mix. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. Thank you so much. Like I said, go check her out. She is amazing. She does amazing nails. Her lives are always so much fun, and she's just a super sweet person. So yes, thank you so much. I appreciate it, and thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.